Hello, Matu Jamir. Apni hasa Zornbill TV. June 15 de 21-year-old Maki ekta running auto de molest hua laga case ajikali chuli thagya nishna Dimapur District Auto Driver Union laga President Tito Yepthomi aji press conference ekta hold kriya homoy victim laga family ge tai laga munduk khota junai dishe IB details sabo
Ami laga buni to kun happen hoise family members khange from the Auto Drivers Union side bro we are very sorry aro itu driver to ami khan la bona fide member ase aro itu happen ha to moi jane dok to driver la bi gulti thakibo pare na thakibo pare hole bi police hi integration kore ase ta khani police sa ase itu kan police la hat ase edu garni morom korigena patient kuno roki dibi aro itu driver la gulti thakise gole mahan bi tu ta ke na chharobo take ki low bra ami khan la by low bra ki take bind kuro le thakibo bind kuro aro tai to ini ami kan tai itu happen tai itu sab tai pra itu tai laga hat thaki shegule ami kan do Dimapur tai ke auto cholo na diwo ko ami kan itu bi fasla lu gena ase
तो अपनी ड्राइवर गलती असना होई इतिया करने देने रुकियो बसे तो आई एम श्योर ड्राइवर लास्ट साइड लास्ट स्टेटमेंट हले तो ताई अपने हम ये कोई गने असना नहीं कोई गने ऐसे बोले तो ताई दो की तब कोई गने ऐसे ड्राइवर मिले
itu ami hunia to aro ami muilaga assistant JS ekta pathaise aro ami laga tadel laga in charge ke pathaise itu driver khan ge log paule to driver koise itu passenger bra rail gate number 1 para higher kurigena jaigena 4 mile jawgena jaise koise hole bi in between te itu kun buni ase tai airport paula daisine gi olai na gari rokhaise goise to gari rokhaise to olop gari to olop distance guri na gari rokhi jaise aru itu passenger nami gena tai jon 2-3 minutes gari 2-3 minutes ta jon kotha korsin ne gi to ta jon kotha gori gena se to ta jon ahi gena gari to disho goise to gari to uti gena jai dakise 4 mile punchise itu passenger para koise moi moromra shobade ponchai dibi moi la hatte paisa nai tia moi tade jena moi la ama ki mangi ne dibo kusho to ta in between de shoba ro charma majode ta kan inga hoji itu happen hoji aro whereas moi driver la ta la guilty asine guilty nai moi itu ko na pare hole moi wan hunia to in itu buni to गाड़ी रोखा देवी कुछ गाड़ी रोकी कुछ ले भी फट गाड़ी रोकी चले पीछे दे भी गाड़ी थाके आगे दे भी मानो ऐसे অলপ সাইড করল দেম দেই এটো বনি তো নি তাই অলপ ডাউট লাগি না তাদের জাম করছি নাকি তুই তো জাম করে ছেদে তো পাবলিক খানি আই গিনা তো বনি তো থাকি না ড্রাইভার আর এটো প্যাসেঞ্জার কে ধরে গিনা রাখি না এটো সহবা লাগাই তো আউটপোস্ট দে পুলিশ খান কি দিছে কইছে
একটা সওয়াল থাকিয়া হলে তো সবে হুনি পা হিসাব হলে তো এটো তো প্রাইভেট নয় গিনে প্যাসেঞ্জার অটো তো ডাঙ্গর वाला ही टाउन ब्रा हायर गुइगेने लइ जासे पासो त तो सल होले तो हायर दो छोटू ऑटो खान ही थाके नि तो एतु ड्राइवर दो की हिसाब प्राइना हायर गुइने लइ जाइने शो बा बितोरे लइ जाय थाकिसे
से इदु डांगर गाड़ी होले भी छोटो गाड़ी होले भी पैसेंजर और ड्राइवर ला ताजन ला माजते इंगा हो जाए ताजन लगते दिल गुरिसे गले डांगर होले छोटो होले भी इनकेस इतु पैसेंजर ब्रा ताते पैसेंजर दा लगा डांगर गाड़ी किमान भय इतला पैसे दिजे ने के लापुसे दिओ गंता जों कथा करछे नगे इतु हिसाब पर जाय नगे तो डांगर गाड़ी तो असल तो होय अपनी को तो राइट আছে দাদা ডাঙর গাড়ি তো না যায় খালি ছোট গাড়ি যায় বলে বি তাজন ভিডিওরে নেগোসিয়েশন করছি নাকি আই হোপ সো
তো প্যাসেঞ্জার আর ড্রাইভার হলে পয়লা জানা জানি না পার্সোনালি কোন কে জানিয়ালা থাকিস না নাই পয়লা ব্রানাও তো দিনই জানিয়ালা থাকিস
ইতলা দিনই জানিছে গজে লা দিন দেই নি তাদে বড় চারমাল যাওন না যাবো কোন দিন তাজন তাদে বড় start ho ju kuche tate urana
Nagaland State Bharat Scout and Guides pa June 18 de notun appoint hua Nagaland Lokayukta Ninoy Raluge felicitate kribule nimide program ekta hotel Viva Kohima de rakishe Lokayukta Ninoy Ralu pra program de khota kuria homoy kushe ki tai aji ki ase idu Scout and Guide pra mold kuria kushe dai guide thagya homoy jani pa khan yad kurigina kushe ki tu khan pra taki confidence digina challenge kan overcome kuria madad dia kushe
So, but my promise is, on my honor, I will do my best to do my duty to God. So, whichever post I'm being sent, I can proudly say that I did my best. And I am so grateful to my God for giving me this chance to be the state Lokayukta. I'm also very grateful to the state government for reposing the trust and confidence in me. And I'm confident that God will guide me through this challenging tenure as the Lokayukta of the state. I must also say a very big thank you and to my family members, my in-laws and my brothers and my children, my nephews, my niece, who have always stood by me through prayers, through a lot of other things. They've always been with me. I'm so grateful to them. But I am particularly very grateful also to the scouting and the guiding family. You all know me, you know, I cannot speak decently, I cannot speak politely because I'm always in a hurry, you know, to finish that chapter and to close that chapter. So, you know, I tend to always shout. But I think I'm very much like my first guide captain, Madam Marlene Saleh, you know. So we are always in a hurry to see our boys and girls and our colleagues, you know, to come up and be better than us. So, in the process, I might also have heard the sentiments of a lot of people, but please forgive me. And I'm also so happy to see my second hometown, the Wokha district, Bara Scouts and Guides. I started my career from Wokha, and I wind up from Wokha. Wokha has a special place in my heart, and I'm so grateful to my Scout and Guides of Wokha, because they make me enjoy doing a lot of events. When I was in Wokha, I never felt an outsider in Wokha, you know. And our temperament were a lot alike because I'm from Konama and posted to Wokha, so, you know, we click very well. I'm so grateful to Wokha also. And to all my scouters and guiders and to all my team members, I'm very grateful. I ceased to be the state commissioner for Guide, but you know, I look forward to be present in all your events, so I would give a time back in a form of any post like the vice patron or something wherein I can always be with the movement and learn more, you know. Scouting and guiding movement is always learning. It's always learning. It molds your character because, and it doesn't make you feel old because you're always learning from the events. Recently, when I attended the basic course of guide captain, I did learn again how to tie the knots, you know, which I've done way back in school in 70s. So I did try this again, and it made me feel young. So even if physically I'm old, but mentally I still feel I'm a girl guide, and I'm still very happy. And I wish you all a very happy, in whichever field you are. I wish you all happiness, and thank you all so much for arranging this beautiful program for me. May God bless all of you. Thank you.
School Education or SCRT laga advisor Dr. Kekhelo le yome prabi aigina program le khota krishe lokayukta nino ira lege bhal wish krigina tai kushi ke knowledge experience or bishi competent thagya ge lokayukta banade khushi junaishi idu mo NSBSG State Secretary Engineer Tefu Zakhe Angami aro Vice President Dr. Joyce Z Angami prabi khota krishe.
It taken long, but as we heard just now, not only the double life, you have two lives now. Now appointed as the Honorable Lok Ayuta, you will have to serve the people. So on behalf of our government, headed by our Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Nipio Rio, we warmly congratulate you, and we hope that in this service. The Lok Ayuta as an institution came late, and as you can understand, we are still a very young democratic country, particularly so for a state like Nagaland. We were headhunting once upon a time. Education came to us through the missionaries, through the colonial administrators, and for us today to be meddling in the affairs of public service in the form of running governments. There are so many challenges ahead of us, and we are so glad and happy that somebody who knows the legal dimensions of everything, somebody who has the experiences as her backup, in all appropriateness of time, in all appropriateness of the person. Today we have our own and the most competent person who has been appointed as the Ayuda. So ma'am, we wish the best of you. As your new responsibility, it is your responsibility to judge everything in all fairness. And we know that there are issues, and we hope that through you, we heard about our State Secretary, my elder brother, mentioning about how you had done what we call legal awareness during your time. We hope that our people are very challenged. We hope that with this new assignment, you will not only be able to dispense justice for the many cases that will be placed before you, but also to bring awareness that fundamentally in the process of institutional building, we benefit because what we are institutionalizing, these are institutions which will bring about a more transparent, a more democratic, a more fair process of governance, as well as also bring about checks and balance. And we all know that for a democracy like India, the three pillars, the executive, the judiciary, and the political, they work side by side. They form the mantle of public welfare. They form the basis of governance. So we are very hopeful, and not only hopeful, it is a real privilege that one of our own who has been trained, who has been imbibed with the code as well as with the principles of the Scouts and Guide movement. There is no other principle higher than that. So we are so happy that you are now representing all of us, and we wish you well on behalf of all of us.
Mokokchung de Rotary Junction pra IOC laga rasta bishi sa pra biya hoigina thagyado Northeast Enterprise Dimapur pra project initiate loigina aji repair kam du shuru kurshi. Idu laga opore MMC Councillor Imtia Pangpa Minister Matsubu Jamir ke tu project karne gratitude dishe. Idu laga rasta do Mokokchung de thagya manukan karne lifeline ase kundu biya hoigina thagyado manukan bishi diktar bai thagishe. Arkong Angza Salangtam Kichutip aro Sanctum na ward pasta pa milai gina itu laga project to supervise krobo ko gina question.
Rasta bunado do IOC junction bar logina do road junction ta punai ase. Itu laga rasta one of the most busiest, the most important rasta in Mokokchung garne. Do itu rasta buna bole especially Umbang Kagashir Mongdang, aro itu ward panchda, affected ward panchda, aro civil society kan bra last year bra itu government ke boi dageshe, itu government bra itu manu kan naga people's voice kan do huniki na idea sanction order garna punai ase. Aro especially amakan would like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Governor of Nagaland, aro tahin nagina Honorable Minister Sir Matsubu Jamir, itu tay laga area par gurasi tay laga tay bra especially tay bra mon dikina itu ani dishi tay gibi pishi gushi payase. Itia mukan itu particular kam do Northeast Enterprise bra contractor loiloshi. Aro tay kan bra itu hal bra gurase. Aro amakan 5 wards la councillor itu Mokokchung Town SC. Mukan bra oversee gorina itu kini na rasta do on time aro pal bra kotom hobo kini na we are looking into it aro itu law bude itia OKM aro all itu ward banta aro public kan logot milai kina kure ase mukan itia discuss kora do initial period tidokli mani itia pani pishi gira ase monsoon hoise ase to aro bi still we have 3-4 months itu monsoon kotom hobole to itia do potholes kan aro kuti rasta biya ase itu kan sob for time being itu kan maintain kore rakibo aro kitia biya hobo itu kan bi sob sai rakibo aro we will make sure that the public doesn't get any inconvenience during this monsoon season, and right after the monsoon is over, kita pani ruka shuru hobo. Itu yang baru shuru kena itu carpeting, aru nalagan, drainage kan, aru sob itu as per specification itu puna boleh itu shuru koribo. Itu he noy kena DPRDB ase oli bi beyond the DPRB ni kuno ado bukan bi puna boleh bi kili mana itu wards kan bra aru OGM kan bra bi request korisi itu bra will make sure the Eastern Northeast Enterprise make sure that itu kan bi sob punai di bawah kan bra bi itu kan bi sob punai di ini kan ni koi nasi itu we are overseeing it itu bra public kibi inconvenience tu takibo kam punai dem de oli bi itu kan takili bi morom bra itu contractor kan logot aru administration kan logot hat milai kina inconvenience kan bi tolerate korina korisi gule amakan sob karne itu bhalo hobo itu ba request korasi aru joldi tak aru bhal bra kori dibo aru we will make sure that everything is in time and intact itu bra tunai dia thank you
moi student kan bisla student ase aru achi mugan IUC de point taka itu kam kori taka ini one side ase first time and achi counselor nge supervisor ni log pagina namangi kota kose dia rainy season dia pani giri lage so kam do complete electric wo chobo na pare so we have come up with a one time repairing to IUC kan begina rudu tak one time repairing chahiye se dia so I just want to appeal to the citizen bukan itu do tangan kam kori takande traffic convenient or short notice takibo to public kan bi dadi posina dadi public to request kori dia se and then moreover once the rainy season is done itu more basically do tangan issues dia ase mohange working kange tangan rainy season itu modak itu kam do shuru koribo so you have mentioned work order di takan sina 8 months completion ase work order de to mohan working na bi rukhi ase and then achibra shuru goina odom modak kam mohan bi aigena watchdog as a watchdog working gona aigena checking bi aibo aro mohan bi supervise korina do kam korule mohan ne papungi jane dia thank you so much
itu rasa do morani do mojo lifeline laka rasta ase bishi sal mera bole nipara taka public bishi tok paka laka tok pa laka taka saman another time dibe bishi tok burgina hai ponja taka itia municipal councillor Panchon Pura aro minister Matsubo RT Minister aro concerned department pura public demand attention digina itia indika kam mature repair koribole manigina sanction digina kam through korado amagan local authority especially Panchta ward Salandam Kichudip Argon Sandamla aro angla ward edukan residents pura aro local authority pura bishi kushi pai ase aro asia makan kota pate do paradak department pura poisa ki dise itu full utilize koribo aro tadi DBRD netaka bi paradak dagam pura kuri dibo koi ase aro itia do olop solop bishi pia jaga de rainy season ase kuri dakibo aro season hadam de mospot pal ponai dibo kwa do amang bishi kushi pai ase aro sai ase aji amang tadi heritage wall pura sai segina ahi ase etem tip top start kuri ase kushi pai ase aro councillor Panchon ase tar Panchon logot amang pisai ase dagam pura ki lage sob pal kuri dibo eneka amakan kushi hope kuri ase
Khobopal ekta aishe Election Commission of India para electors photo identity cards kuntu the Epic card pikoi itu do 15 days majude delivery korobole parbo karne nutun standard operating procedure introduce kudishe manukun kan par electoral rules to de nutun apply nohile bi update krishi kure tai laga Epic card to 15 days bitore pai jabo election commissioner Dr. Sukhbir Singh Sandhu aru Dr. Vivek Joshi pra chief election commissioner Ganesh Kumar lokude miligina itu laga initiative to loi ase electors aga convenience karne nutun system de electoral registration officer pa Epic generation kuridia pichide Department of Post pa Epic card to manu lokude delivery na hua tak track kurigina rakhibo iniga hoigina etu laga jankari do manu khan ge tai khan laga phone de SMS digina janai dibo DOP laga application program interface to bal pa delivery kuribo karne ECINET logude integrate kuribo kundu pra data security maintain kurigina service delivery do enhance kuribole karne aim kure इत्याकरणे माने साइड एक बियॉन्ड बिल टीवी